Suppose you have a container filled with water, any kind of tank. Let's say you need to pump out that water. There are many ways to do this. In this video, we'll use 3D graphics to demonstrate one method for pumping out water. This method is quite simple and doesn't require a lot of resources. You don't even need to use electricity. This video will demonstrate how to use the Venturi principle to pump out water. The Venturi principle involves reducing the static pressure of a liquid or gas flow as it passes through a constricted section of a pipe, a Venturi tube, which leads to an increase in flow velocity according to the law of conservation of energy and the principle of continuity. This effect is used in various devices, such as flow meters, injectors, and vacuum pumps. How does this work? Flow constriction. A stream of liquid or gas is directed into a Venturi tube, which has a constricting section. Increase in velocity. Due to the constriction, the cross-sectional area decreases, and in order to maintain the volumetric flow rate, the velocity of the medium increases. At this point, the cross-sectional area is smallest. Here, the flow velocity is highest. Pressure reduction. According to the law of conservation of energy and Bernoulli's principle, an increase in the kinetic energy of a flow, velocity, leads to a decrease in its potential energy, that is, the static pressure drops. The video graphic shows a low-pressure area that draws water out of the container. You can direct the pumped water into the sewer drain. You can automate the switching on and off of the pumping system by installing a float switch. When the float rises, it will switch off the system. And when the float goes down, it will turn the system on. A very reliable pump that pumps water without electricity. Instead of tap water, you can use compressed air by connecting it to the system. This pump has no rubbing or wearing parts. It will work for a long time and reliably.